Oh, that's pretty funny. Why is it a 16-bit though? Isn't it input, output, or input only? I'm not sure about that. Why is it 16 bits? A window is unviewable if it is mapped, but its ancestor is unmapped. That's interesting. It's claiming that this is input only. I mean, maybe. I don't know how the root window works. Let's get us. Okay, let's start getting us children. So we're going to need a. We'll just do a depth first search. I think. Well, a pre-visit DFS or something. But anyway, I think we'll do a DFS. Yeah. Okay. So we want to loop through all the screens, which I think there is just one, right? Yeah, it looks like there's just one. That tracks. Because I have one screen. For each screen, I think what we want to do is we want to do all this stuff. Actually, we don't want to do any of that stuff. Let's move this like up here. We'll put that there. All this stuff can come down. And we want this to be list window, I don't know, properties or attributes? Properties. Because I kind of want also their children. And I guess I want the XCB window, maybe, or maybe window ID. I don't know how it works. XCB query tree. Yeah. XCB window 2. Yeah. Okay. Win, I guess. We'll do that. We'll go attribute. That one. And that's a pointer. And so this is for window. I wonder if I should double. Let's maybe swap this. So we know. Well, that's the thing. When I want to list all the children, I don't really want the attribute. Well, okay, let's just do attributes first. We'll do attributes first. It's fine. And then we'll do the list of children. We'll get all their yeah, we'll get all their class names and whatnot. But for now, we'll do this. So this we want to be. So we want to get the root window. Yeah. So we want to go. I guess list window properties for X group for the root window, I guess. And I think all the rest of this, so these can disappear. Yeah, I think the rest of this stuff we would just want to bring up into here. But more like that. Yeah, something like that. I guess I want to bring all those up. Maybe get rid of that. Maybe that. Props C. Adam Len. And then we want to bring that stuff up as well. So if we get rid of that, we don't want that, we want that. And that's per atom. Oh, so this is atoms, and then this is like num atoms, something like that. Yeah, something like that. Right, I need the connection. Yeah, well, and this should also be win. So we'll do con. And we'll do prop C. Prop C. So we'll take the connection as well. It should be somewhere. XCB connection T. Con. So this should be the window. And maybe I should have depth as well. Maybe. Not right now, but maybe. So this is atoms. This is num atoms. And here we have atom C, atom, prop C, prop. Do we get the atom first? Get atom name. Right. Oh, I see. Right, because for some reason this one's in a array. Yeah, I remember this. Num atoms, atoms plus plus. Interesting. So these are raw memory. I guess that is what we're getting from the server because the protocol itself transfers around like IDs and stuff. So I guess it makes sense, but it is slightly weird. Does that even compile? No. Right. Okay. Children. Okay, so now we want to do a query tree. Yes, this is... Yeah, so we got attributes, atoms. This one's kind of annoying. So what we want is we want the query tree thing. So we want XCB query tree cookie t. Yeah. Query tree c. XCB query tree reply t. Query tree. Right. And then you get the children and you get the length. Oh, do you have to free this? It doesn't look like it. Oh, wait. Yeah, we do. Okay. Right. Okay. We can do that. What's the reply? Yeah, so I guess I also want like an XCB window T. Yeah. I'll just make that num. And I guess there should be children. We'll do wins, whatever. We can be lazy. It's test code. Who cares? We also need to change this. Using integers is slightly concerning, but that's all right. It's probably okay by the spec. Query tree, right? And so we want the connection, and we want the window, and this should be the cookie. Query tree c, and then we want query tree equals XCB query tree reply. Yeah. Then we need to free this, so we need to free QTree, which is fine. Don't we need to free atoms? Oh, that comes from props. Okay, sure. And I think we need the connection. Oh, it's right there. We need the connection, we need the QTree cookie, and we'll make that null. We don't have any errors here, don't worry about it. And then we want num is XCB query tree children length for QTree, right? Yeah. And we want wins equals XCB query tree children QTree. And then we want to go for I equals 0, I is less than num, I plus plus, wins plus plus. And then in here,